Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today I'm sharing with you my first C2C blanket. This is the first one I've ever made. And I made this using Lion brand homespun yarn. And the size of my blanket, it's approximately 43 inches by 53 inches. And I used, the colors of Lion brand homespun I used are Shaker, which is the brown color in the bottom right, and the next color is Hepple White, and then the next color is Blue Sky, and the top left corner, that smallest amount of yarn I used, I don't know what color that was. That yarn didn't have a label when I bought it at the thrift store, but those are the colors that I used. And for the main body of this blanket, I used a hook size K, which is 6.5 millimeters. Now for the border, I used a smaller yarn. I used it was Caron Simply Soft, and it's a lighter worsted yarn. And for that, I used a 5.5 millimeter hook. And one thing that I really liked about this blanket using this yarn is it really gave it a good texture. And I'll probably take my camera and move it in a little bit closer in a minute so you can see the texture better. But the thing I didn't like about it was this yarn. It's a blue clay yarn, so it's already a textured yarn. But it was really hard for me not to catch the thread with my hook as I was crocheting. So it was kind of aggravating to work with this blanket, but I really do like the results that I got with it. And so let me move my camera so I can move in closer and let you see the blanket a little bit better. Okay, so here I've moved in a little bit closer so you can see the texture that I got with this blanket. And the texture's really made a lovely texture with this yarn. And let me move on up closer so you can see this part too. See that color. I didn't have enough of the first brown to finish. But anyway, I really like the texture. And as you can see, the border, it's, well, it looks really big right here, but it's a skinny border with this smaller yarn. You can see the thickness of this yarn. It's a good bit thicker than, and this was not a boucle. This is just a regular worsted or a light worsted yarn. But anyway, I am really happy with the way my blanket turned out. And I will put the information of what I used in the description box below so that you can see for yourself if you might want to try to make one. And the videos that I used, I watched the Secret Yarnery and how she made hers. And I also used her border also. But if you would like to make one of these blankets, I'll have the information in the description box below. But thanks for watching my video. Bye-bye.